What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the lost generator before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the lost generator works. What is the lost generator? The lost generator program is a guide designed to help you build a energy generator using alternative energy sources. This system is aimed at reducing reliance on traditional power grids by generating electricity independently. The program offers detailed instructions on how to create the generator, promoting energy independence and potential savings on electricity bills. It is ideal for those interested in sustainable living, renewable energy solutions, and projects. How does it work? The program operates on principles of energy conversion, utilizing unconventional methods such as electromagnetic energy. The guide provides a step-by-step blueprint, including a breakdown of the materials and tools you'll need, clear instructions with diagrams to help you construct the generator, maintenance tips and operational guidelines to ensure long-term efficiency, bonus materials like video tutorials and access to a support forum for additional guidance. Does the lost generator come with a guarantee? Yes, the program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can request a full refund within 60 days of your purchase. This ensures you can try the program without financial risk. Other important points about the lost generator. The generator can be assembled within a weekend, as the components are easy to find in local hardware stores. It's designed for individuals who have the time and interest in following the instructions carefully. While the potential benefits are significant, such as reducing energy bills and promoting environmental sustainability, the program may not be suitable for those without the time or inclination to build the generator on their own.